Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your trusted tech buddy for everything Android. Today, we are diving into something that is super useful and seriously underrated. Screen mirroring your Android phone to a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Let's make that magic happen. Here's everything I'm going to walk you through in this video. How to check if your Windows 11 PC supports screen mirroring. How to install and enable the wireless display feature. How to mirror your Android screen wirelessly, no cables needed. Fixes and troubleshooting steps if it doesn't work the first time. Bonus tips for a smoother casting experience. Alright, ready to make your phone go full Hollywood and hit the big screen? Let's go! Section 1. Check compatibility plus prepare Windows 11 PC. Before we start projecting your phone like it is a movie premiere, we need to make sure your PC supports Miracast, the magic behind screen mirroring. Here's how to check. 1. On your PC, press Windows key plus R to open the run box. 2. Type DXDiag and hit enter. 3. Once the DirectX diagnostic tool opens, click Save All Information. 4. Open the save text file and search for Miracast. If it says available, you are golden. If it says not supported, then sadly your device doesn't support this feature natively. But don't worry, there are workarounds with third-party apps like AirDroid or Screen Copy if you really need this. Now, let's set up your PC. 1. Right-click the Windows icon on your taskbar and select Settings. 2. Click System, then scroll down and tap Projecting to this PC. If you see a red message or all the options are grayed out, don't worry. That just means the wireless display feature isn't installed yet. Let's fix that next. Section 2. Installing wireless display on Windows 11. Time to give your PC some casting superpowers. We are going to install wireless display, a hidden gem that allows your PC to receive screen mirroring from your Android device. Here's how to install it. 1. In the Settings app, scroll down and click Optional Features. 2. Then tap View Features next to Add an optional feature. 3. In the search box, type Wireless Display. 4. When it shows up, check the box and hit Next, then Install. Now go grab a coffee or stretch your legs. This might take a minute. Once it is done, go back to Settings, System, Projecting to this PC, and lo and behold, the options should now be available. Let's configure them properly. Section 3. Setting up projecting to this PC. Okay, now that we have installed the right tools, it is time to get your PC ready to receive that wireless screen goodness. 1. In projecting to this PC, set the first drop-down to Available Everywhere, or at least Available on Secure Networks if you're on public Wi-Fi. 2. Under Ask to project to this PC, choose First Time Only. That way, you won't be asked every time you connect. 3. Set Require PIN for pairing to Never unless you are worried about others trying to connect. 4. Lastly, click Launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. Your PC screen will now show a message like your PC is ready for you to connect wirelessly. We are almost there. Let's fire up the phone. Section 4. Casting your Android screen to Windows 11. Now for the fun part, casting from your phone. Here's what to do on your Android device. 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access quick settings. 2. Look for an option like Smart View, Screencast, Wireless Display, or Miracast. It depends on your phone model. For example, Infinix or Realme, Cast. 3. Tap it. Your phone may ask for permissions. Tap Allow, Turn on, or Continue as needed. 4. Your phone will search for devices. Wait until you see your PC's name appear. Probably the name you saw earlier like Desktop, 123 ABC, or Crown. Tap your PC name, confirm the connection, and hit Start Now. Your Android screen should now be mirrored on your PC, full screen and real time. You can open apps, play videos, or even use it for a live demo or tutorial. Section 5. What to do if it doesn't work. Sometimes it doesn't work on the first try. If that happens, don't throw your phone across the room. Try these troubleshooting steps. 1. Reconnect. Close everything and try again from the start. Sometimes one restart is all it takes. 2. Update Windows. Outdated drivers or OS versions can block casting. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. 3. Restart Wi-Fi. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. 4. Firewall or VPN. Temporarily disable any VPN or strict firewall that might block local connections. 5. Try another shortcut. If your phone has multiple casting settings, like a dedicated cast setting in display or connection preferences, try switching methods. Still stuck? Drop a comment below. I've got your back. Bonus tips: smoother casting experience. Here are some quick hacks to make casting smoother. Use landscape mode for a full screen display, especially for movies and games. Want to route audio to your PC? Some phones support it, but you may need to enable it in cast settings. Dim your phone screen if you are just showing a video to save battery. Keep your phone close to your PC to avoid connection drops, especially if you're on a mobile hotspot. And that's a wrap, folks. You just turned your Android phone into a wireless media streamer and your Windows 11 PC into a smart display. No cables, no hassle. Whether it is for productivity, presentations, or just showing your friends funny TikToks in HD, you now know how to do it like a pro. If this tutorial made your tech life easier, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss more Android hacks and solutions from Wireless Solutions. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.